Let's go! Drawing gift box. Make a box line. Add a line for the other side of the box. Make ribbon. Add lines to form ribbons. Let's color it. Color the ribbon blue. Yellow for the gift box cover. Brown color for gift boxes. Add details.
Like, comment, and share. you again in the next video.